Hi, this is a quick tip on how to synchronize files using the OneDrive for Business client from either Microsoft Teams or SharePoint Online. In your Teams client, if you go to your team and go into any one of your channels, in this example, click on the General channel, go to Files. You'll notice on the menu here, you'll see a button that says Sync. You can press this button and it'll just synchronize just this folder for this team to your OneDrive client. Or if you click this other link, Open in SharePoint, this will take you to the SharePoint Online document library that is the underlying storage location for Microsoft Teams content and will allow you to browse around within the document folder structure and synchronize the entire team. So in this case, I'm going to click up to the Documents tab. Now I see my different channels that I have in my test team here, and I'm going to click Sync. It's going to ask me if I want to open this up in my OneDrive. I'm going to say Open. A little pop-up came up on my screen saying that I'm now synchronizing the Documents folder in to OneDrive. And if I go to my File Explorer, now you'll see my my team here and with all my documents and different document libraries. So if I was to go in here and create a new document, and another document here in channel B, and as soon as these synchronize up to OneDrive, which they've done based on this green check mark here, if I go back into my teams here, look into my files for this channel, I would expect to see this document. And then I can make modifications either directly within the Teams client here using Word Online. Go back to my documents here. So I made that change in Teams. Go back here to my OneDrive client, and if I open up Word on my local system here, you'll now see that I've got the content in here just as is. All right, that was my quick tip for using the file libraries and synchronizing those to your local computer using the OneDrive for Business client. I hope you found this useful.